After months of fixing endless problems, today is finally the day that we're gonna make our WRX road legal.
Yay. Finally going to import the car.
The catch?
First drive!
We've never driven it, not once. So when we took it out for the first time, it only lasted 20 minutes. To even get our car to the inspection, there's some stuff we need to do. Change tires, hood latch, silencer, light, intake, license plate. Let's go. And first I start with the tires. The tires are actually in such a bad shape, we might not even make it to the inspection.
Pump!
Put the car in first gear.
No!
So the idea is that I will change the tires, and I've never done it.
Well, I've seen people do it.
Nope.
Oh wait, I have to, yeah. Of course, you cannot do it with a full tire. Get this thing out. Why you walk away that fast? Yeah. One of these pedals.
I tried the middle one.
Okay. Now, do I lock the rim?
Lock the rim in.
No, not this one. No, not this one. Huh? What the f? Why did it do that? I honestly don't know why it did that. I think this.
Will be able.
What is this? Okay, how does this work? Oh. But not touching.
Owning the wheel.
Pull harder. Is this good or no? Rotate. This is actually going better than I thought it would go.
You damaged the rim, but it's fine. Second one will go faster. It's off!
I actually didn't think it would go this well. You have the tire. I've seen people grease this in. And a brush. So.
You need to grease the tire.
Not the rim. The tire.
The tire.
Yeah, now it comes back.
But at that point, someone's instinct took over.
Yeah, I see. You can't let me do it. You can never let someone else do it.
Done.
Okay.
Wrong.
Why wrong?
A new valve.
Okay, here he comes. Yeah. Oh. This is what you never see.
Now you turn.
For car, everything always goes too slow.
It slides here.
Oh.
Your
Next.
turn.
Pump it up.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Alright, your first tire.
Yay!
Right.
Okay, and now to balance the wheel, I leave that up
Is
to
it
car.
8 or is it a 0?
Now sticking on these leads to make sure it's balanced.
Ah, my nail.
So while Ka is doing that, I'm going to do the
Okay, second one.
about 50 minutes later.
Done? Wait. What does it say?
Inside.
And this is the outside.
That's how I feel.
So I have to do it again. Ah.
Done!
Done.
Did you check?
Actually, I didn't.
You didn't, but luckily.
I turned it around. But knowing myself, I can still do it wrong.
Done. Will they be good for the first drive? Next.
This car has sort of the same problem as the Civic.
2, 3. Actually, a big issue if we couldn't close it, because then we would drive it and then it would like in the face.
Then you get something like this. Let's see if we can fix this.
It locks. What did I do?
With a screwdriver.
Okay.
Closed?
Yes, close.
Is it closed?
Yeah. Nice.
What did you do?
I don't know. I have been annoyed by this from day one. And it was a 10-minute fix.
You didn't even know what you did.
Nope. Sometimes you just need to wiggle. I'm happy that it's fixed.
Done. And next. And these are the last few things we need to do before we can go for the inspection. The silencer, the headlight, there's actually no bulb there. So we put a new one in. The intake filter, because there was none. We printed this part, but we need
to cut this.
You need to cut this.
Because without a filter, the intake can suck in debris directly into the engine, and we don't want that.
Let us put it on.
Fits.
And lastly, new license plates. We're making them ourselves, because they're only valid for 1 day. So with some cardboard and a little bit of our imagination, we both created the front and the rear license plate. We even added some clear coat to protect it from the rain. Then we put it on the car and we should be ready to finally drive this car on the road.
Thing is, if you lose this, not that bad.
Yeah.
You can just remake one.
Yeah. Hopefully we fixed everything. There's nothing missing and we can import the car. We have the license plate on.
Oil, coolant.
And one last thing. So you put in the Viovo dash cam. Super easy installation. Well, if something happens on the way, we'll record everything. Link in the description.
I think we have to go.
Alright, let's go.
But will the car even arrive there?
Oh, here we go!
Here we go!
Do we need the gas?
Oh, yes.
First drive!
Drive.
Will we make it? We thought this would be an easy drive, but it turned out to be very eventful.
Front left.
Just kidding. First some gas.
Oh, it starts.
Then the first problem appeared.
Will we make it?
Will we make it? But the clutch is
Clutch doesn't feel very...
You can clearly hear the clutch slipping a lot. Driving away from traffic lights, very difficult. And if you thought that was in,
The Speedo doesn't work.
The engine is very rough.
I don't know about this car, man. This doesn't sound good.
no, the engine really doesn't sound good. And if the clutch stops working, then we'll be stranded.
Can we do it?
Concentrating.
Yeah.
Although it's only like a 20-minute drive, it already felt much longer.
So far.
Not that great.
And we have an appointment, we have to be there in time.
2 minutes. Are you nervous?
A little bit. It feels smoother than before.
Yeah, I don't want to get stranded here.
1 minute left.
Here it is. Very stressful. Hello.
Okay, phase 1 done. We made it. We arrived at the inspection station. But the worst part actually still has to come.
So here we go. We're going to Bay 4 with our beautiful car.
So we do as we were instructed and park the car in front of Bay 4. And now we wait for our turn.
One eternity later.
We're now allowed to go in. But this is also the moment that something goes really wrong. But we'll only figure out later what it was.
A few moments later.
The inspection is done and we're told to go outside.
Yet, it's imported. We got it. But we have a
problem.
big problem.
What's happening?
Oh yeah.
Yes, that thing that went wrong. It's the drive shaft. It popped out.
It happened there.
Yeah, it happened in front.
Turning.
How can it break?
What shall we do?
I don't know.
Just drive. Option 2, tow the car. There's no option 3, I think.
Option 3, fix it.
We don't have the parts.
What was supposed to be something glorious, and we actually don't know what to do now.
So we're stranded here. So we're thinking the best option is to get the car towed. calling road assist, but they basically say we're not gonna help you because this car is not imported, so they won't help us. And actually pay for that service already for 20 years. That leaves us with the other option, just drive. But will it? And will we make it? I really don't know. But Ka, unfazed. This really does not sound good, and at this point I really don't think we're gonna make it. Oh my god. This car.
I brought the tools, but I didn't bring a jack. Nasty sound.
So at this point, we actually decided to go for a different option. Option 3, fix it. Okay, seems like we're here at the Heining Hobby Hall. This was actually not that far from the place that we got the car checked, and you can rent a lift here, so maybe we can fix the car. First we need to get the car up and then inspect what is wrong, and that does not look good. So we decided to remove the whole drive shaft and hopefully we can still drive. Okay. Hey. So with this one out and dirty hands, that was quick. Only about 10 minutes.
I am quick.
If we make it home, I think this was the best decision. I think so too. Let's go. Let's see how it drives now. I think no grinding noise, but the same as just now.
It's a 3-wheel drive.
3-wheel drive. Who needs 4-wheel drive? But so far so good.
Sort of.
Sort of. Well, it's driving. You don't hear the grinding noise anymore. You don't hear the. I think we can make it back. After a small pit stop, we continued home, and the car was actually driving better, even with the missing drive shaft. And we started to have a little bit of fun. But the clutch was slipping more and more. We made it.
Back. That was a
stressful for you.
Stressful ride.
So that was actually quite an adventure. More than I wanted it to be.
It was the most stressful ride of my life.
But the good thing is, we imported it, that's done. But in all honesty, I really thought that we had the biggest problems fixed. Drive shaft, so new clutch.
New clutch.
Oil leaks.
I want to paint this thing, actually.
I'm done with all the engine stuff, I feel.
It looks like shit.
Oh.
Or we just paint it. That's
Let us know what you want to see. If you want to see us struggle with the gearbox and everything or not, or just want to see us painting this thing.
Plus we need to pick a color.
Yes. We should do a color.
Midnight purple.
Maybe.
Black. White.
Black. Blue. Could be anything. But all in all, it's a story we can remember.
And it's a nice experience.
It's a nice experience.
First time importing a car, so.
Yes. I hope next time will be easier.